With some of our top favorite cryptos heading downwards, people are wondering, what's going on? Joel, are we going up from here? Guys, I'm going to be discussing that in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Ethereum and the rest of cryptos are headed up or down. So you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy and sell so that you guys can as well. I go over your portfolio and a lot of other services. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals because we've made a lot of money. With the #1 profiting community on Patreon, you're going to want to get in fast. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit any amount, even 1 penny, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you love cryptocurrencies, be sure to tap that like button, subscribe with the bell rung. It really does help with the growth of the channel. Guys, when you zoom out on the charts, you can see that we're still on our bull run, still headed up with higher highs and higher lows. We're not in a bearish market. However, because we're seeing dips right now, it's a better time than ever to be buying the dips, to be buying them when I see that they're steep enough so that there's only a short period of time before we see our desired profits. As of now, altcoins are following up along with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Guys, it could be any second now that Ethereum takes over Bitcoin, even surpasses Bitcoin here in the near future when the top whales realize that there's a lot more use case for Ethereum, inevitably allowing it to surpass the price of Bitcoin. Guys, with just a 20% correction on the crypto charts, that's not very much, and that's what tells us we are still seeing higher highs and higher lows and continuing on our uptrend. Guys, we're still in the most bullish months of the year, historically, and you're not going to want to get FOMO and not buy in when these prices are still in their infancy stages, literally less than half of their actual worth. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. Guys, the reason why I say just a 20% correction doesn't mean that we're in a bear market is because we generally look out for a 40% correction or more to see that we're tanking and moving into a bearish market. Guys, that doesn't mean you should sell. It still means you should hold with diamond hands, not have paper hands literally handing your money on over to the millionaire and billionaire whales like they want you to do. Rather hold it until you reach your desired profits. However, we're not in that point yet. We're still taking full advantage of the volatility, buying at the dips and selling at the peaks, so you're going to want to take advantage of that. Guys, a huge news article came out titled "Institutional Managers Bought the Dip as Crypto Funds See 154 million in Weekly Inflows." Bullish sentiment around cryptos has not wavered, despite the recent market correction that saw Bitcoin fall to below $57,000. Guys, what this tells us is that smart money and the top whales out there are still buying. Guys, they're buying up the dip as much as they possibly can because they know there's still more growth ahead before we reach our cycle top of this bull cycle, which I'm going to be letting you guys know about when I'm ready to sell so that you guys can as well if you'd like. And when we take a look at the tweet from TechDev, we see that it reads, "Remarkably similar corrective structures so far on the Bitcoin 8-hour, almost to the day 4 years apart. 2021 continues to run 5 to 8 days behind 2017 since July." Guys, this tells us that since we're on that same path that we were back in 2017, we're likely to hit near $100,000 for Bitcoin just in this bull cycle, inevitably causing Ethereum to hit over $10,000 and also inevitably causing the rest of the top altcoins to literally easily 5 to 10x since they outperform Ethereum historically. And guys, some more good news on the Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange reserves. We can see that most of the money in those coins is actually being put into cold storage, being put into staking tanking, literally where they can't even sell it, take it out, or move it anywhere because they're that confident for the future of Bitcoin and Ethereum, especially for Ethereum, because guys, they can't even move the money out that they're staking until Ethereum 2.0 network upgrade is fully complete, inevitably allowing for Ethereum to be much better transactionally as far as speeds and transaction cost. Guys, this creates a supply and demand shortage, inevitably allowing for the prices of both to skyrocket and causing the rest of the cryptocurrency market to follow up along with them. And guys, when we take a look at the Ethereum charts, as you can see, we are having higher highs and higher lows form continuously. Guys, sure, we had a bit of a correction, but like I said, just 20%, not very much, not enough to say that we're already in a bear market, because sure enough, we reached the bottom, testing our level of resistance, we went down again, having a double bottom, which is very bullish, and that's why we went up from there. So as you can see, we're already having higher highs and higher lows form right here and right here and right here, which means we are continuing to go up, back on our uptrend, because every time we have a correction, we only move up even more. So you want to have some cash on the side to buy these dips, as I call them out, before the dips are gone and you can't buy them anymore. So if you haven't joined my Patreon, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip and I let you guys know about it. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit any amount, even 1 penny, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you love cryptocurrencies, tap that like button and subscribe with the bell rung. It really does help with the growth of the channel. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.